Today we talk about tools, huh? Well, Outer Arms, congratulations on your 1,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this. This is a part of my collection. Started off with the F&G set. The only piece of that I have left is this little fella right here. But, hey, that's what I get for letting people borrow tools. And then I got myself the Arbiter set. Comes in handy every day at work. Made myself some bump keys. One of every keyway. That's standard around these parts. Got the jiggler set. Got a little bypass tweaker. Tension wrenches. Lots and lots of tension wrenches. And more tension wrenches. Handy dandy Klein hammer. And the picks. 2 to 3 of every single kind I can find. Made a few picks myself. Granted, most of these are cheap Chinese knockoff picks, but they do the job well as long as you take care of them. Got a Longhorn tension tool set. Some spring steel to make any extra tools I might need. Got the tensioner for my bump keys. And of course, you can't forget the little comb picks. Those things are nice and handy. This here is my handy dandy multi-tool. Use it. It's a hand drill that I made an Adams right wire, a finger pin grabber, and whatever else I need to make out of them. Got the disc detainer pick and my next tip for it. Tubular lock picks. And, well, got those handy things too. And we get into this. Got my follower kit. Gut wrench. More tweezers than I know what to do with. Prying tool. The usual screwdrivers that are needed. The star wrench. The Phillips and a flathead. Plug holders for when I'm building locks. Punches and multi-screwdriver with all the bits I could possibly need. Tail pieces. A profile lock gutting tool. Allen wrenches. Extra cores. Few set keys, and then we get to this part here. pin set. More set keys, lots of them. My shimming keys. All the pins I could ever want. Gauge keys with every depth. I got them so far in Y11s, Y1s, KWs, the SC set.